Good morning, everyone. How are you doing this afternoon? Good morning, Bios. Good morning, everyone around the world. I just wanted to come on and wanted to explain the Christian's way of thinking. Now, of course, I really don't have that much of experience with this, but I'm gonna try my best here. Now, the one of the reasons of how I would think what this is what I think Christian religion is basically what I think. This is what I think. I don't know exactly what it is. I've done a little research, so I think it's basically the Christian's way of giving revenge. And sure.
So that was our staff member, Roderick Durden. He had to step out in order to go to school at this time. It is currently 7:40. It is currently 8 a.m. in the morning. So here are his lesson notes right here. I'll give you a very brief description of this. In 2 Corinthians, he listed the behavior that convinced him that their repentance was real and their obedience was genuine. And part of what Paul was their willingness to seek revenge against the one who brought such wickedness into their church, to why their willingness to expel someone from the church. So, the Christian way to get revenge is this is quoted from the sermon. Get revenge when God asks you to. So in Roderick's lesson notes, it is shown that in Roderick's lesson notes, it is also shown that right here, if you do something wrong, you will be punished for it and you will not get away with it. Furthermore, if you read down the lines at the bottom of it, it is never to fulfill a personal desire, to get even, or to pay someone back. So if you pay someone back on the personal level, that doesn't always mean you will feel better. There's a time where you could pay someone back and you'll still not get the fulfillment that you are searching for. It is always better to just go to God from the beginning. That might just be your best solution. Just take it to God. Because if you do, He can solve it the right way and the way you would like for it to be solved in the long run. Because there's a short-term problem solving and a long-term problem solving. Short-term problem solving wears off. You'll feel better right now, but then that feeling wears off and then you'll become begrudged again. Long-term problem solving. You won't feel better yet, but after a while, you will feel better and feel good about yourself knowing you did the right thing. That is all I can say because Roderick has left and these are just his lesson notes. So, this is the end of his lesson. So Roderick would have said, have a good day.